So if you're a creator who creates videos on the internet, maybe you have got a website and you have to create tutorials or maybe audiobooks and you don't want to use your own voice, you can use artificial voices because the artificial voices has improved so much in the last few years. They are almost like humans. Let me tell you, there are services like 11 Labs, which are extremely human-like, but these are premium services. Although in the free tier, you will get some credits. Like I have got 5,367 characters remaining and you get 10,000 characters every month for free in the free tier. So I have got this script for a tutorial and I fixed it using ChatGPT. I will copy the text here and then you can select any voice from here, whichever suits your purpose.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it.
Okay, so it's very easy tool. Sign up and get your text, paste it here and then click on generate. Once you generate, you will get the audio and you will be able to download that audio from here and then you can use it in your tutorial. If you're making an audiobook, maybe you have got graphics, maybe you have used Stable Diffusion or Midjourney to create photographs or animations, or maybe if you are creating a comic book or a visual book for kids, you can use Midjourney or Stable Diffusion to get those animated photos. Whatever you want, you can prompt there and get the photo back. And you can use services like 11 Labs to get the audio and then you can compile them in a video editor, get your content ready for uploading on YouTube, or if you want to sell it on your personal website, you can do that as well. I have created a similar type of video using this exact technique.
Town called Ozba, there lived a curious and adventurous girl named Sasha. Sasha was 10 years old and had a...
You can watch the full video by clicking on the link in the iCard. Now, the problem is this is not a free tool. Obviously, after 10,000 characters, which are going to be elapsed in just 1 or 2 outputs, and then after that, maybe you will have to pay. Surely you can create many accounts and use the free tier, but this is not the cleanest way and neither it is an ethical way. So here is an ethical way and it is also free. So you can install a Chrome extension called WaveNet for Chrome. It lets you convert the text in audio format. Once you have installed WaveNet for Chrome, you will find the icon somewhere here. If you're not seeing it here, you can click on this icon and then search for WaveNet for Chrome and pin it. Once you pin it, it will be showing up over here. And when you click on this icon, you will find the voice settings. You can select the language and you can select the voice as well. But before that, to make it work, you will require an API key and you can easily get it by viewing the documentation from this Chrome extension. It is easy to follow. You can get the Google Cloud text-to-speech API for free and then copy paste your API here and you can select voices from here. So all the neural voices are the natural voices, natural sounding voices. All the other voices are not so good, but they are good enough. But I would recommend that you use the neural voices. This is not available for every language. So this is only available for English language. And if you select the English language, it will be available to you. You can select any audio. You can go to the pricing section over here and you can see that the neural voices is free to use for up to 1 million bytes. And after 1 million bytes, you will be charged $16 for another 1 million. But I have been using it extensively and I haven't been charged ever. So 1 million is quite sufficient for a single solo creator who wants to use good voices for their audiobook or tutorial or anything. So once the WaveNet for Chrome extension have been set up, you can use your text, the one that you have written, or maybe you have asked ChatGPT to fix it or rewrite it. You can highlight that text inside the ChatGPT, right click, and then instead of start speaking, you can click on download. Surely you can also ask it to speak.
Okay, guys, let's quickly see how to install macOS 14, also known as macOS Sonoma, which is going to be released publicly in just a few months. But Apple has released the public beta, and users have the option to install it today.
Okay. Now it's speaking a little faster because I have set the speed to 1.5 because I use this Chrome extension for reading articles and long form content while I'm doing something else on other tabs. I've actually created a separate video for other people who want to be more productive. They can also use WaveNet for Chrome for speaking out long form content or any content inside the browser. There is actually a premium Chrome extension that lets you do that and you have to pay monthly. But if you use WaveNet for Chrome, you can use this feature for free. And for this part, if you are a creator, you can also download the audio like I am doing. I'll highlight it and then I will go to WaveNet for Chrome, click on download as MP3, and here it is. I have got the audio file over here. Now it's a tutorial and I have got a screencast ready. All I have to do is open my video editing software and then have my video and then the audio that I just converted.
Okay, guys, Let's quickly see how to install macOS 14, also known as macOS Sonoma Beta, which has been in testing for the last macOS Sonoma 14 beta. And I got this option because I had these beta updates.
So now I have to just sync the audio and video. Whatever action is going on in the video, I will have to match that action with the audio, and once I'm done, I can export that video. I'll give you a bit of that video, or maybe you can watch the entire video that I created using this process by clicking on the iCard button. That is the video that I just created inside this video. So this is how you can use human-like voices for absolutely free. Create any type of content, be it a tutorial, an audiobook, or animated style stories for kids. The possibilities are endless. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.